Choosing Ophir means choosing a partner for safety, efficiency, and reliability. Our intelligent solutions do more than just supply air. They create a safer workplace, slash your energy costs, and cut your carbon footprint. We minimize your downtime through designs that are built for easy, fast maintenance. Yes, quality comes at a higher initial cost, but remember, over 80% of your lifetime expense is energy and maintenance. That is where Ophir saves you daily. This is not just an equipment purchase, it is a strategic investment. An investment that delivers measurable returns and total peace of mind. Ophir, powering your productivity.